At Renishaw, we are always looking for ways to improve our products by applying innovation. We challenged ourselves to produce the fastest possible touch trigger cycle. Users who need to maintain short cycle times are now also able to benefit from on-machine probing. Using the OSP60 probe with an optimised application of the SuperScan QuickPoint macro, probing cycle times can be significantly reduced to a matter of seconds. Here is the RMP600 probing a 5-point rectangle. A common job setup task performed in a perfectly respectable 15.8 seconds. Here, the OSP60 probe, running a SuperScan QuickPoint macro, performs the same job setup task in 6.3 seconds. SuperScan sets the part 60% faster. The increase in speed does not degrade metrology performance. Our in-house on-machine tests have shown that accuracy of the QuickPoint macro is equivalent to our high-accuracy strain gauge probes. Superior performance is now possible at phenomenal speed. For more information about SuperScan, visit renishaw.com/SuperScan.